Did you know that making a few simple changes to your diet could significantly improve the health of over 10 million people suffering from kidney disease? It's incredible to think about the positive impact it could have. Recent research from leading health institutions has shed light on this groundbreaking possibility, revealing that certain foods hold remarkable potential to not only safeguard your kidneys, but also enhance their function, potentially boosting your glomerular filtration rate, GFR, by up to 40%. This isn't just about making minor tweaks, it's about unlocking transformative health benefits that can redefine life with chronic kidney disease. And the best part? These foods are supported by scientific evidence, proven to lower creatinine levels, making them essential for anyone looking to support their kidney health. By the end of this discussion, you'll be armed with knowledge that could significantly enhance your quality of life or that of a loved one. So if you're ready to take a step towards a healthier tomorrow, let's dive in together and uncover the power of these 7 remarkable kidney-friendly foods. Stick around till the end. You won't want to miss this life-changing information. 1. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, like lemons with their vibrant colors and zesty flavors, aren't just delightful additions to your meals. They're also hidden gems for kidney health. Lemons in particular play a crucial role in reducing creatinine levels and enhancing kidney function. How so? For starters, lemons are packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that shields the kidneys from oxidative stress and aids in toxin elimination. Additionally, lemons boast citrate, a natural compound scientifically proven to thwart the formation of kidney stones. Kidney stones aren't just excruciatingly painful, they also pose a risk to kidney function. Hence, incorporating a daily glass of lemon water into your routine does more than tantalize your taste buds. It actively promotes kidney health. But wait, there's more. Lemons also support proper hydration. Optimal hydration is vital for maintaining stable kidney function, considering the kidney's role in filtering and flushing out waste from the body. Drinking lemon-infused water prompts a thirst response, encouraging increased water intake, thus assisting the kidneys in functioning more efficiently. Let me provide you with some practical examples. 1. Green tea. Green tea is already renowned for its health benefits, but did you know that adding a splash of lemon juice can make it even more beneficial? The magic lies in the catechins naturally present in green tea. Catechins are potent antioxidants known to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and cardiovascular disorders, while also exhibiting remarkable effects on kidney health. However, the body struggles to absorb catechins efficiently, with only about 20% or less being absorbed from green tea alone. Enter lemon juice, the game changer. Citrus juices like lemon can boost the absorption of catechins by over 5 times, which is truly remarkable. A similar enhancement can be achieved with iron-rich foods such as legumes, spinach, or other leafy greens. Iron is crucial for individuals with kidney disease, but ensuring its proper absorption is equally important. How can you achieve that? Simply add a source of vitamin C like lemon juice. But wait, there's more. Another food that pairs exceptionally well with lemon is garlic. Renowned as one of the most incredible superfoods, garlic not only aids in lowering blood pressure, but also assists in managing cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that consuming garlic alongside lemon juice can significantly reduce total serum cholesterol and LDL cholesterol levels. So, next time you enjoy a cup of green tea, consider adding a squeeze of lemon for a health boost like no other. Stay tuned for our next pick, an underrated yet powerhouse food that embodies one of the healthiest forms of carbohydrates in the world. On red potatoes. Red potatoes, those often overlooked gems in the world of vegetables, have been unfairly sidelined, particularly by those mindful of their waistline. But here's a little secret: potatoes are genuinely a nutritional powerhouse. Bursting with nutrients and fibers akin to other vegetables, they harbor a unique type of carbohydrate that could be especially advantageous for individuals grappling with kidney issues. Enter the superhero carb, resistant starch. Resistant starch, found abundantly in red potatoes, undergoes a distinctive journey through our digestive system. Unlike other carbohydrates, it doesn't fully break down and get absorbed. Instead, it travels directly to the large intestine, where it becomes a feast for the beneficial bacteria residing there. A thriving gut ecosystem is akin to striking gold for our overall health, and incorporating a bit of resistant starch into your diet can yield remarkable benefits. Studies have illuminated the role of resistant starch in enhancing insulin sensitivity, aiding in better blood sugar management. However, it's essential to discern that not all potatoes are created equal. Red potatoes stand out as champions, boasting the highest content of resistant starch and consequently ranking lower on the glycemic index (GI). These gluten-free, low GI carbohydrates seamlessly align with a diabetic-friendly dietary regimen. For individuals navigating chronic kidney disease (CKD) without stringent potassium restrictions, red potatoes can serve as a wholesome addition to their meals in moderation. Interestingly, there's a simple hack to further elevate the resistant starch content in potatoes, thereby lowering their GI value. Just boil the potatoes with their skins intact, refrigerate them overnight, and enjoy them cold the following day. This minor adjustment can amplify the health benefits of potatoes, making them an even more compelling choice for bolstering your well-being. 1. Bok choy. Bok choy, a member of the cabbage family, emerges not only as a verdant delight, but also as a powerhouse of nutrition, particularly beneficial for individuals managing kidney stone conditions or prioritizing kidney health. What sets bok choy apart as a hero in the vegetable realm? It's the abundance of calcium it offers. Securing adequate calcium from a plant-based diet can pose a challenge, but bok choy effortlessly fills this gap. Calcium isn't just crucial for maintaining strong bones, it also plays a pivotal role in mitigating the risk of kidney stone formation, a facet often overlooked but undeniably vital. Calcium operates by binding to and eliminating oxalate from the intestines, thus diminishing the likelihood of stone development. This attribute proves particularly advantageous for individuals prone to recurring kidney stones or those adhering to water intake restrictions. But the virtues of bok choy extend beyond calcium. It also serves as a rich source of nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule renowned for its ability to widen blood vessels, thereby enhancing blood circulation to organs and tissues. This enhancement in circulation could potentially contribute to a marginal reduction in blood pressure, courtesy of improved blood flow. Stay tuned as we delve into our next selection, an essential component of the Mediterranean diet renowned for its myriad health benefits: extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil, often revered as liquid gold, transcends its status as a heart-healthy staple to emerge as a formidable ally in the battle against kidney issues, including the prevention and treatment of kidney stones. This extraordinary oil boasts a wealth of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that not only fortify cardiovascular health, but also confer significant advantages for kidney well-being. First and foremost, the elevated levels of healthy fats in extra virgin olive oil play a pivotal role in quelling inflammation throughout the body, including the kidneys. This anti-inflammatory action serves to deter the formation of kidney stones by preventing mineral aggregation within the kidneys. Moreover, the beneficial fats present in olive oil facilitate the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and antioxidants from other dietary sources, a critical aspect of maintaining kidney health. For instance, when paired with foods rich in vitamin D, such as shiitake mushrooms or lycopene-containing foods like tomatoes, extra virgin olive oil substantially enhances the bioavailability of these essential nutrients. Vitamin D is instrumental in regulating kidney function, while lycopene exhibits promising effects in reducing the risk of specific types of kidney stones. Furthermore, the gentle yet protective influence of extra virgin olive oil on the cardiovascular system indirectly benefits kidney function. A robust cardiovascular system ensures optimal blood flow to the kidneys, thereby supporting their indispensable role in filtration. By simply incorporating a few tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into your daily dietary regimen, you can empower your kidneys to execute their detoxification responsibilities with greater efficiency, potentially alleviating the strain on these vital organs and fostering overall renal health. Kimchi, this tangy and spicy fermented delicacy, transcends its role as a mere flavor enhancer to emerge as a powerhouse for nurturing kidney health. Laden with a diverse spectrum of probiotics, kimchi stands tall as an exceptional choice, particularly for individuals intent on mitigating the risk of kidney stones, lowering creatinine levels, and fostering overall kidney rejuvenation. Unlike probiotic sources derived from dairy, such as yogurt, which may harbor high levels of animal proteins and phosphorus, components individuals with kidney concerns might need to moderate. Kimchi presents a kidney-friendly alternative devoid of these elements. Nonetheless, it's imperative to exercise prudence regarding its sodium content to ensure it aligns with a well-balanced dietary regimen. But how does kimchi wield its transformative influence on kidney health? The probiotics inherent in kimchi play a pivotal role in nurturing a flourishing gut microbiome, intimately intertwined with kidney well-being. A harmonious gut environment serves as a bulwark against inflammation, an established catalyst in kidney stone formation, and facilitates the efficient elimination of waste byproducts, including surplus creatinine, from the body. By fostering optimal gut health, kimchi indirectly bolsters the kidney's capacity to purify and detoxify the bloodstream, thereby contributing to their restoration and optimal performance. The next time you embark on a grocery run, why not add a jar of kimchi to your cart and bestow your kidneys with the nourishment they deserve? Flaxseed, despite its diminutive size, emerges as a formidable superhero in the realm of kidney health. Its nutritional prowess is nothing short of remarkable, brimming with a treasure trove of magnesium, selenium, vitamin B6, iron and vitamin B1, rendering it a nutrient-dense ally in the battle against kidney-related concerns. However, it's the omega-3 fatty acids that truly distinguish flaxseed, furnishing potent anti-inflammatory properties indispensable for individuals prioritizing the maintenance or enhancement of kidney health. Inflammation poses a significant threat to kidney integrity, and flaxseed's adeptness at curbing inflammation assumes paramount importance in kidney care. This anti-inflammatory prowess serves as a bulwark against the formation of kidney stones, a prevalent and agonizing renal issue. Moreover, the copious omega-3 content in flaxseed fortifies the kidneys against further harm by bolstering overall kidney function and potentially augmenting the glomerular filtration rate, GFR, a pivotal metric of kidney vitality. For those grappling with the complexities of diabetes, a condition intricately interwoven with kidney health, flaxseed proffers additional advantages. Integration of flaxseed into the dietary repertoire has been shown to engender reductions in HbA1c levels, a hallmark of prolonged blood sugar management. By ameliorating diabetes management, flaxseed indirectly buttresses kidney health, confronting one of the principal precipitators of kidney failure. Incorporating flaxseed into your dietary regimen is a simple yet delectable means to bolster kidney health. Whether seamlessly blended into morning smoothies or utilized as flax meal in baking endeavors, this versatile seed can exert a profound influence on your kidney health journey. Nonetheless, moderation remains paramount, as flaxseed contains phosphorus and protein. For individuals with kidney disease or those predisposed to renal issues, a daily intake of approximately 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed is often recommended. Opting for ground flaxseed over whole variants is advisable, as it facilitates easier digestion and nutrient absorption. This judicious dosage empowers you to harness the health benefits, enhanced kidney function and diminished inflammation, sans overtaxing your kidneys with excessive phosphorus. And tangerines, these petite, vibrant citrus gems, transcend their status as mere sweet indulgences to emerge as a covert weapon for those seeking to fortify their kidney health and regulate their creatinine levels. While all citrus fruits boast commendable health benefits, including their capacity to bolster cardiovascular health and combat cholesterol, tangerines stand apart for a particularly compelling reason, especially pertinent to individuals grappling with kidney concerns or diabetes. The secret ingredient in tangerines is a flavonoid known as nobiletin, abundant in the peel. Nobiletin wields formidable prowess in combating diabetes, a condition intricately intertwined with kidney well-being. Elevated blood sugar levels exert undue strain on the kidneys, precipitating heightened creatinine levels and, over time, the onset of chronic kidney disease. By enhancing glycemic control and ameliorating insulin resistance, tangerines directly contribute to kidney health by alleviating this burden. This bears immense significance as adept diabetes management can effectively decelerate the progression of kidney impairment and sustain optimal kidney function. To harness the full potential of tangerines for kidney health, contemplate integrating the entire fruit, peel included, into your daily dietary repertoire. One innovative approach involves blending 2 tangerines into a smoothie, incorporating the peel as well. This methodology ensures maximal absorption of nobiletine, alongside the fruit's additional beneficial vitamins and fiber, which synergistically aid in managing creatinine levels by fostering holistic health and well-being. These 7 underappreciated foods constitute invaluable assets for kidney health, catering not solely to individuals with renal concerns, but also benefiting everyone's dietary regimen. We're keen to hear about your experiences. Have you embraced any kidney-friendly foods in your culinary endeavors? Share your anecdotes, insights, and recipes in the comments section below. Let's foster an environment of shared knowledge and mutual support in nurturing kidney health. If you've found this information beneficial, don't hesitate to express your appreciation by liking and subscribing for more invaluable tips. Thank you for accompanying us on this journey. Until next time, stay healthy,